I think that would be my top three. Yeah, well,
Give us the one that you don't want.
but the one that's gonna happen.
Yeah, the actual
the
one.
The one that's probably gonna happen.
Actual one that's going to happen.
I mean, I think the winner is between Thandeka and Liam. I don't know who's gonna win between the two of them, but I think it's gonna be between Thandeka and Liam. And I think people want a woman to win this time, and I'm not mad at that. It's been a long time.
It's been years.
So yeah, and I have a daughter, man. So power to women. You know? So it's gonna be between Thandeka and Uliema and Q number 3. That's what. And I'm not even mad at that. And also I need to clear something. Thandeka and I are good. Thandeka is like usiswa ngomdala. Actually salingana ngasomdala salamana. Yabona ilamana.
Yeah, ilamana is
manje.
Yeah,
sibe right manje.
Sure.
Yeah, and I even today I read somewhere in a diary session, people had asked her about who she would be friends with after the show. And she counted people and said, even with me, what's me and I, so financially plans kulum and reconcile. I still feel the same way. Yeah, well, like I said, if you remember the letter I wrote to her, after the house, I want to meet her. Because Thandeka, when I met her, I saw Thandeka that I fell in love with.
Oh, when you guys were, okay, I get you.
Those letters. Because Thandeka was one of the first friends I had in the house.